In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website in Webflow. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to improve your website design skills, Webflow is a powerful tool that allows you to design, build, and launch websites without any need for coding. We're aiming to get you from start to finish in just 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred internet browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type in Webflow. Once you see the official Webflow website in the search results, click on it. When you land on their homepage, you'll notice options to either log in or sign up. If you're a new user, go ahead and create a new account, which should only take a couple of minutes. If you already have an account, just log in using your credentials. Now, you'll be prompted with some decisions. Webflow gives you several options to kickstart your project. You can take advantage of their AI site builder, select from a variety of templates, or if you're feeling adventurous, start with a completely blank slate. Whichever option you choose, you will need to provide a name for your site. Once you've named it, simply click on Create Site, and you're ready to move forward. Now that your site is created, it's time to delve into customization. The Webflow Designer is a potent tool that provides an easy-to-navigate interface. You can start by adding elements such as text, images, videos, and buttons. As you incorporate these elements, you can modify their appearance by tweaking colors, typography, spacing, and other visual aspects. If your project requires more dynamic content, Webflow's CMS is there for you. It can help manage and display content like blog posts, news feeds, or product listings dynamically. For those of you wanting to add an extra layer of interaction, explore the designer's ability to add animations and interactions that can significantly enhance the user experience. As you continue building your website, remember you can create and organize multiple pages, nest them into folders, and even fine-tune your SEO settings all within Webflow. This makes managing a site with multiple layers of content seamlessly efficient. Once you've put all the pieces together and are satisfied with your creation, the final step is to publish your website. Hitting that publish button will make your website live for the world to see, and just like that, you've built a website in Webflow. Webflow's ecosystem is expansive, offering a depth of possibilities for all types of web designers, from novices to seasoned professionals. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.